So basically, yes, I must say, I'm sure all of you already feel like princesses. Don't you people feel like princesses? So that's what Indian Princess has done to me. It's like the person who I am today. I see a lot of difference from the person who I used to be maybe a year ago. And the way it's changed me, the way it's groomed me, I'm just so thankful. Like, it's a life-changing experience. And as Chandni said, you don't have a competition from anybody out here. Your competition is from your own self. You need to compete with yourself and know, you all know where you stand right now. Trust me, after these few days, you might have realized the change which happened in the ocean resort, the training which happened, you might have seen some change in you. And overall, that is what it does to you. Not for now, for the whole life. You'll see that change coming up in you, and you grow as a human being. So just believe in the beauty in the heart. Everybody is beautiful at heart. Just learn to love people, be happy, and respect whatever you get. Just make the best out of it. Which I did, and I'm really happy living my life today as I am. I stand tall, I am so proud of myself, and thanks to Indian Princess for that. I represented India in top model of the world 2015, which was also through Indian Princess. So you get every opportunity, just believe in yourself, work towards whatever you want, and you will achieve it. I always follow this funda, this is dream, believe, and you will achieve. So all the best to everybody, congratulations, and give your best, be happy.
Sneha, I think it's come, that time has come where you feel bad that someone new is coming. I mean, you can remember those days, I guess, right? It was unexpected and you won it. That was really nice. And the best part about Indian Princess is nobody knows who's going to win it. That is the best part. In fact, that is the best part. And I enjoy it the most because that's the reason why I look at you all equally. Right? When I said eliminations is good sometimes, so that it keeps you on your toes. It's not because I want you out, but because you need to know that competition is important. Because you need to be serious, that's most important. It helps individuals, every individual. It's not that I want to have it, but till you drop. And then the day after that, we'll be taking you out to a nightclub where you can party. And then after that, you have a technical run that's serious. So we want you to party before your technical run. And then we have the main event. So these are the days these are the 9 days that you go through, right? And thanks to Mr. Sunil Rale, thanks to Sir for making this happen, because I guess you guys, a lot of people in Dubai are waiting for you to come there. I've been getting a lot of calls. In fact, they were shocked that they were wondering where I was. Nobody had connectivity. Great batch, I would say. It's a nice batch. You've been very nice, very, very nice. Even the whole day today, I know what we've gone through, but I'm so surprised. Believe me, I'm very surprised. I would like each one of you to come and introduce yourselves to the press.
Congratulations, Chandni, for working with Fashion Week. How was it?
Hello.
Sleepless night? Yeah? I've represented India at Miss Tourism International 2000. I just want to tell you, just don't copy anyone, don't even try to copy previous winners. And she has her own identity and she's pretty in her own way, but then you try to make and try to do your thing, make your mark, basically. So all the best, and that's it.
Okay, can we have you introducing yourselves one by one?
Quite a long time from August, so being here and being part of it is
so memorial, and it's such a great experience. In South Africa, one of my main goals is women empowerment, being Miss India is international, and seeing the brand established by
Yeah. My name is Simran Kaur Malhotra and I am from Delhi. Currently, I'm pursuing my Bachelor's of Architecture from Vastakala College. Being an army kid, I understand, what the cross cultures, what people mean to me, how much I have learned from all the people around me. I've switched school.
I am from Himachal, Shimla. Currently, I am pursuing my political science honors from Chandigarh, and I'm a girl who totally believes in myself. And I just want to say, the girl education is not mandatory; it's must. I completed my graduation, and I'm a big-time sports lover as I'm a national level table tennis player and gold medalist in long jump. I'm here to win the most coveted tiara of Indian and army. That army member, that army soldiers who have sacrificed life for our country. So that I'm here to contribute my and positive mind. Thank you.
Well, my dad was in the Navy, and after he passed away, I was raised by a single mom who made sure that she left no stone unturned in bringing me up. Sports, curriculum, theatre, acting, modeling, academics, you name it.
Trained dancer, and while I've learned forms such as ballet and modern, my heart lies in jazz. And I'm absolutely looking forward to this pageant. Thank you so much.
I'm animator. I'm really happy to be part of Indian Princess 2016. Thank you so much.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी। मैं प्रिया नीनावे ऑरेंज सिटी नागपुर की रहने वाली एक बीकॉम ग्रेजुएट हूँ। प्रोफेशनली मैं एक मॉडल हूँ, इसलिए मैं अभी मुंबई।
Thank you.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Being a dance choreographer and actress by profession, I'm a very passionate bike rider. Glamorous outside, simple inside, myself, Divya Agarwal from Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Disha, and I'm from Delhi. I am currently pursuing MBA. I'm really proud to be part of Indian Princess. Cut them off. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone present over here. My name is Sonali Bhai.
You want me to help send us?
सर सीधे आपका दूंगा ना अच्छा ना सर मेरा अरे एक मिनट अरे यार ग्रुप फोटो सर अरे बड़ा वाइड है सब पीछे हो ना वाइड है पूरा हमारा भी चालू है सामने अरे फ्लैश नीचे अरे यार पीछे आओ थोड़ा ये आगे ये सामने पार्टी 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 ये सेंटर थोड़ा पीछे ये करते हैं अरे वेट सर वेट वेट ले योगेश लो एक मिनट
चलो हिलो अरे चलो क्या है हिलो मत ना पीछे काम करना
वेट 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 ओके यस चेक लो
हाथ डालो बीच में सही है हाथ डालो
हाँ यार चांदनी जी इधर लाओ लाओ Yes.
Raise a big hand for putting all the photos. You must have seen bright all over, right? For all the big films and all of these. This is a big bright. Please give it a round for supporting us. And now we want Chandni and Sriya.
इसको चेयर दे दो सामने यहाँ देखिए प्लीज
There are three altogether. One is unveiled. You can unveil the second one, please.
अरे ऐसा नहीं होने रहा है दूसरा हाँ उनको हाथ में दे दो ना नीचे बैठे हो अरे एक से रुको ये सामने यस रेडी
Yes, yes.
Wow. Beautiful. The third one.
Yes, ready.
All these pictures will be on the hoardings. Courtesy Mr. Bright.
Shukla ji. Shukla ji.
Thanks to the
Oh, Shukla ji.
अरे पाछड़ क्या पीछे खड़ा हूँ ना भाई
Please give a big hand, otherwise you won't be traveling. You travel partner, please. Yeah, you can go this side. The travel partner is here.
सामने देखो इधर सेंटर this side
As soon as she finishes. Number 3 will follow. After mid ramp, number 4 will follow. That's your mid ramp. Follow. Hold. Hold.
Chandni, really good to see you. You have seen the entire journey. Now the new people already arrived. New girls are arrived. What suggestion? What tips you want to give?
I just want to say that be confident about yourself. You are not less than anyone else here, and try to learn new things and try to make your journey as beneficial as possible, and just live every moment. Be yourself, be good to others, be confident and believe in yourself.
Okay, season 7 is here.
Yes.
Even this Indian series have seen a long journey. What do you think personally? What is the success behind this entire,
I think it's this pageant is made the idea behind whole pageant is really noble and nice. That's why it's gaining so much success, as we are told that it's related to two social causes, that is girl child education, and we support martyrs also, and who have led their life in wars. So I think that's what keep it going, and year by year we are getting bigger and better. Like last year we went to Thailand for the finale. It was our first World Grand Finale, and now this year we are going to Dubai, and now maybe next year Holland, and till Las Vegas. So we'll expand, and the beauty of Indian Princess will increase with every year.
Okay, how life is changed post Indian Princess, especially Chandni. We also heard you also doing some film also.
The movie is I can't disclose the name right now, but it's a good movie, and it's a Bollywood movie, and I'm working as a main lead. I'm doing it as a main lead, and after Indian Princess, my life changed totally, because people started recognizing me. Obviously, as a girl next door, I don't have so many mics and cameras looking at me and waiting to hear my views about anything. So now I have a voice, and which reaches up to people, and people recognize me, and after that I got 2 international pageants through Indian Princess, and I could discover myself. I could reach up to the depth of myself which I couldn't earlier. So Indian Princess has given me that confidence.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next. Are you nervous, excited, grand finale going to happen?
Well, I'm not actually nervous. Okay. I'm very excited for the show, for the finale. It's in Dubai, and this is the very special thing about Indian Princess, that that it gives an international exposure to the girls. So it's always international. Like when I won, it was in Thailand, and now this year it's in Dubai. So it's every year it's being great, and even better than the last year.
What tips you want to give to the new girl who just arrived and being a part of it? We're going on another journey.
Well, as much as I've seen, all the girls are very pretty. All of them are very good, and I really like all of them. I would just like to tell them that all the best for the finale. Give your 100%, because this is just once in a lifetime opportunity. This chance doesn't come to everyone again and again. You get to represent your country at an international platform, as I represented my country at Miss Intercontinental. So it's very great thing to win and shine.
What success mantra you want to give?
The success mantra that I would like to give is that dream and then work hard to make it come true.
Thank you so much.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.